you worried about how your fence is going to hold up in cold temperatures? You should be, unless you have a Simtech fence. We've tested the durability of our fence in extreme temperatures, both hot and cold, with amazing results. Unlike other fences that become more and more brittle as the temperatures get colder and colder, Simtech fence has proven to remain strong even in the coldest of temperatures. To prove our point, we asked some college hockey players to take their best slap shots at our fence. As you can see, our fence can take a lot of abuse, even from an 80-mile-per-hour hockey puck. We've seen how the Simtech fence holds up. Now we're going to test it out against a vinyl fence. Which fence do you prefer?